Incoming chat.
Hey there, guys. So finally, I have received my silver button from YouTube. Thanks to you guys for your support and love you guys showed me over the year, and I got able to have this one. I just removed the sticker from front. I got my address and all the shipping detail. So let's open it. I didn't open it because I wanted to share it with you guys. And let me take it off. And all the friends from India, Tanewal guys, all the friends from Pakistan, Shukriya, all the friends from Middle East, Shukran Habibi, all the friends from China, and all the friends from surrounding countries. Thank you so much. I'm not being some kind of shitty guy, but unfortunately, I cannot speak those languages. I hope you can understand all of this tape. I wish I have some nails. Yeah, finally. So it looks like this one is the one I remember from my past plates. It was not that small. So here we got the thank you. Oh, Society Awards. That's a company we used to build awards and buttons for, like, for YouTube and for other companies. That's the letter from Neil Mohan, CEO of YouTube. All right, that's normal. Like, even if you get the gold button and all that, you just got the number changed and things are almost same. So here we are with the new button. The channel not faceless anymore. You guys have seen my face. I know no one is interested in that. Well, that's me. Let's open that as well. Okay, so recognize your team. That's a card for it, and a super dry cloth for cleaning the plate. Well, let's go and take it out from the. All right, they have used. It looks like they're using aluminum and, like, honestly, guys, I really like the old version, like the one we used to have before. This one is very good and beautiful, shine like unique and handy. You see this, that's my hand, and yeah. All right, so it sounds like they have used the like a metal plate in front. I don't know why. All right, and from the back, yeah, it comes with a single hanging part right over here. So now we can hang it more perfectly from the back. It got the feels of like a wooden, most probably a wooden. And yeah, thank you so much, guys. It was never going to happen without you guys. Thank you so much. I wish I could give you more, and I'm trying to do that with the the aim. You guys, most of people notice that my aim, the barrels, and from double barrels, I'm shooting multiple bullets and all that. Well, that's your Red Hunter. Looks a bit old, but thank you so much Love you all.